In this video, I'm going to show you how to download an app that is not available in your country. So the first thing that you should always try to do is to change the App Store or the Google Play Store region. So if you're on an iOS, go to Settings, then select on your name, Payments and Shipping, and add a payment method if none exist. Then go to Media and Purchases, View Account, Country Region, change country or region, and then from there you want to go ahead and select on the desired country, agree to the terms, and enter a valid payment method for that country if required. If you're on an Android device, here's what you need to do. You need to go to the top right, select on your profile picture, then you want to go ahead and select on Settings, then you want to go ahead and select on General. Then you want to go ahead and select on Account and Device Preferences. Then from here, all you want to do is you want to select on Country and Profiles. And then from here, you guys should have the option to actually change it. So Google actually does limit how many times you could change it. So I did change it recently, so that's why it's not giving me the option to change it again. But if you never change the country, then you guys will get the option to actually change it from here. You guys could also go ahead and press on Learn More. And basically, it is now going to go ahead and walk you through how to actually change your country on the Google Play Store. So you guys can definitely go ahead and give this a shot as well. Another thing that you guys could do is use a VPN. So download a trusted VPN app like NordVPN or ExpressVPN, then connect to a server in the country where the application is available. And more importantly, you need to clear the App Store cache. So if you're on an Android, you really need to clean the cache. Same thing with iOS, you need to clean the App Store cache in order for it to work. Then after that, you guys should be able to go ahead and download the application. Now, this next method over here is a little bit more risky, but it is something that you guys could do, but it will only work for Android, and that is to download APK files. So you guys can visit reputable APK sites right over there, and you guys can go ahead and download the application as an APK. But this is a little bit risky because there's a lot of malware out there and a lot of scams, so please only do this at your own risk. And lastly, as a last resort, you can go ahead and create a new account. So sign out of your current App Store / Google Play account. So go ahead and just sign out, and then from there, you guys can go ahead and create a new account using an email address and set the region to the target country, and then from there you should be good to go. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next tutorial.